Welcome. If you are looking for downloaded files in your LG K61, I'm going to show you where you can find it in a few moments. For the first, I'm going to download some pictures. I think that I can take this one. And right now, let's go back here. And I think that we have to go for the files. It will be probably right here. And here it is. And right now all we have to do is just to tap on the downloads. And as you can see right here, we got the picture. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.